You can also use the Focused Inbox function to help manage your inbox. By using artificial intelligence, Outlook can sort your email to help you focus on what matters most. It takes into account emails and contacts with whom you interact, sorting incoming emails and highlighting those it believes will be more important to you. This can also help to filter out distracting, automatically generated, or bulk email. More important email messages should be under the Focused tab, while the rest remain easily accessible but out of the way on the Other tab. To access the Focused Inbox settings, left-click on the Settings icon. This is usually a cog. Check that the Email and Layout options are both selected. You should then see an option for Focused Inbox, where you can choose to either Sort Messages or Don't Sort My Messages. Click on Save to choose your option. Please note that the Focused Inbox function may not suit all users and is not guaranteed to sort your emails in the way you might do yourself. This feature can be switched off if you prefer not to use it.